You take care of yourself. But sometimes you need to find a doctor. That's why Physician Compare is here for you.
Welcome to Physician Compare, a website created by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS. All physicians and other clinicians listed on Physician Compare take part in Medicare. And there are 3 different ways to find the information you need. Let's take a look at how Linda, Mary, and Don use the Physician Compare website to select their doctors. Linda is a Medicare patient looking for a new primary care physician in her area. She lives in Crest Hill, Illinois. The location box automatically recognized the location of her computer, and Crest Hill, Illinois is filled in for her. Linda enters primary care physician into the main search bar. The drop-down box gives a few options for what she may be searching for. She makes a choice from the drop-down box based on her needs. Here's the results page of physicians who practice internal medicine in Linda's area. Physicians are listed on the left of the page in order of distance from Linda's location. She can pick from either a group or an individual clinician. The map on the right has pins to show practice locations. Linda's current location is shown with a blue pin. Linda can use the filters across the top of the screen to refine this list of physicians based on distance, Medicare-approved payment amount, gender, and more. She can use the Add to Compare button on a listing to compare as many as 3 different physicians or 3 different groups. These 2 icons indicate that this physician accepts the Medicare-approved payment amount and has performance information available to view. Performance information shows whether the doctor provided patients the recommended care. Now let's see how Mary uses Physician Compare. Mary's current neurologist wants her to get a second opinion for her constant migraines. Mary and her caregiver, Nancy, visit the Physician Compare website and begin their search for a clinician. They find the Search by Body Part button. Mary clicks on the diagram of a woman's body. They can pick the area of the body they're concerned about. Mary chooses Head from the list of available body parts on the right and then selects the Next button. She then selects Headache/migraine from the list of health topics. She selects Neurology from the list of specialties. Mary is redirected to the results page. She and Nancy select a group from the list. Nancy has a friend who told her she got great care there. They read about Medicare-approved payment amounts, affiliated clinicians, and performance information, and decide this group would be a good fit for her. Finally, let's see how Don uses Physician Compare. Don's primary care physician wants him to see a cardiologist for some chest pain he's been having recently. He's having difficulty spelling cardiologist, but then he sees the Browse by Specialty button. Don selects the letter C at the top of the page, and it automatically takes him to all specialties beginning with the letter C. As he goes to pick cardiology, he sees that when he hovers over each term, a definition appears to explain what the specialty is. Don selects cardiology and is redirected to the results page, where he sees a list of available cardiologists in his area. He chooses a group. He notices that this group accepts Medicare-approved payment amounts and has performance information available. Don also sees that this group has patient survey scores. He chooses the tab. These scores are based on information patients reported about their experiences getting care from the group. Based on the feedback, Don decides this would be a good group for him to visit. He's glad this website was able to provide him with vital information so he could make an informed decision to improve his health. Quality health care is important for everyone. The Physician Compare website is one of many ways CMS is working to help you make informed decisions about your health care. Explore the resources available to you on Physician Compare today.